Are you new to building Lego, or maybe you've started building with Lego but your builds just suck? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to take your Lego builds to the next level. If you stay till the end, I will give you a bonus tip of how to buy Legos at a discount. Beginners that are building Lego, this is how you do it. So we've got some pieces here, right? You just want to take those and squeeze those together, just like that. That wasn't so hard, was it? This is maybe what a beginner builder or you would be like, okay, you know, I want to make a restaurant or something, so I'm just going to make a chair, right? This chair right here, it's okay, right? I mean, yes, it works for a chair. Let me get my minifigure out. This is a minifigure, by the way. You build it the same way. I'm going to show you guys a trick that's going to blow your mind. You've never thought about this before. These are called brackets. They come in many different shapes, sizes, and colors. This is how you're going to take your builds to the next level, all right? 4 minutes, say, you know, you got a chair, right? You're like, okay, this is a chair. Using the only brackets and simple pieces like that, you can make something like this, okay? Real simple, but it looks way better. It's something you can use with brackets, right? You have the arms of the chair and it just looks so much better. If I take this off, see how, you know, you have the brackets here that you can just put inside, and it just looks so much better when you end up putting it like this. Here's a couple other examples. Beginner builders be like, hey, I want to make a restaurant, right? Here's a table. Here's with brackets. Look at that. It just looks so much better and so much more detailed. And here's another thing that brackets can do to take your builds to the next level. Here we've got a wall that I've built. Guess what happens when you use a whole bunch of these pieces, right? You get something like this, right? Look at that. Look how much better that looks. And that's what you can use to make your builds pop and go to the next level. If you want to know where I get all these whole bunch of pieces, you can check out my Lego store in the description below. Another tip for new builders and beginner builders is this. Make sure that your builds are to scale of what you're trying to do. This is a good sized chair. And if you don't know the scale of a minifigure, if you're not sure, you know, like, is this chair too big or too small? Go to your house and just kind of like look at a chair and be like, okay, this, you know, this kind of fits me, you know, it looks good. It's not too big, it's not too small. And those are my tips for building Lego. And the bonus tip I promised you, if you want to buy Legos for discount, they can be very expensive, especially for new builders who don't have a lot of money or whatever. If you go to my description below, Amazon has some sales of Lego, and if you were to purchase those, it's not going to be forever, it's a limited time. So if you want to jump down there and grab your first Lego set at a discount, I would highly recommend it. It really helps support the channel, so that'd be great. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this.